The AssetWhere Facilities Management Checklist Manager enables heads of property or maintenance to create checklists for staff to complete. So let's have a look. I've come into Checklist, selecting View Completed Checklist. Now I'm selecting the Adams building, and over here on the right hand side you can see the status, whether they've been completed or not. And I'm coming to the ESM checklist, the Essential Safety Measures checklist, and I'm selecting that. And there's some key details there, and then the questions, and they're yes/no responses. Entry point safe, free of obstruction, emergency lights operational, taps leaking, fire extinguisher check, which was not able to be completed. So they've only got a 75% score. I can also review the audit check, which shows any previous checklists that have been done and also submitted. Then when I come back, I can edit or create a new checklist. So this is really useful for teachers at the end of term. Heads of maintenance can create a checklist for them. They can check the carpets, the windows, correct number of chairs, whiteboards, projector, etc. So it doesn't have to be the maintenance men checking them. Now I've selected the cladding inspection checklist, and here you can see all the parameters can be filled in by the head of maintenance. And then when I scroll down to the bottom here, I can actually look at this current checklist, and then I can update it if I need to. So I've just downloaded that as a CSV file, and here are the key questions in this cladding checklist, and it's been set with a yes/no answer, so they can really easily be updated, and they can be much more complex than that particular example. So what this means is that schools can be constantly getting feedback about their assets, whether they comply with the relevant safety standards, and this checklist can be completed on phones or tablets. And in addition to this, you can also add individual work requests to the actual checklist.